Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing and hiding the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Dock and Menu Bar. Now choose Bluetooth from the left sidebar menu. To hide the Bluetooth icon, uncheck the checkbox to the left of Show in Menu Bar. To show the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar, simply check the checkbox. When the Bluetooth icon is not in the menu bar, you can access it through the Control Center. To get to the Control Center, click the Control Center icon in the top right of the menu bar. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.